In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change point style in AutoCAD. If you work with survey data, layout marks, or any drawing that uses lots of point objects, making those points easy to see is essential. AutoCAD gives you a quick way to change how points look across your entire drawing, so they stand out clearly on screen and on printed sheets. Here's how simple it is. First, go to the command line and type ptype, then press Enter. This command opens the point style dialog, the control center for how point objects are displayed. It affects only the visual representation. It doesn't move, delete, or change the data attached to your points. Think of it as switching the symbol used to represent every point in your file. Once the point style dialog is open, you'll see a grid of different symbol options. These include simple dots, plus signs, crosses, circles with an X, and other variations that strike a balance between visibility and minimal clutter. Take a moment to consider what will be easiest to read in your context. For dense survey drawings, a bold cross or circle with cross can be great. For lighter backgrounds or schematic work, a simple dot might be all you need. As you hover or click on a style, imagine how it will look against your layers, colors, and line work density. After you've chosen the style you prefer, click OK. Instantly, every point in the current drawing updates to the new look. That's it. You're done. You can keep drafting right away, and if you ever want to swap styles again, just repeat the same quick command. A few helpful notes as you use this. Changing the point style is a display choice that applies to the current drawing. It won't alter the coordinates or any attached information. If you find that points seem hard to see at certain zoom levels or on plotted output, remember that the style you choose can make a big difference in legibility. Contrasting shapes are often easier to pick out in busy areas, while simpler shapes can keep cleaner drawings from feeling crowded. If you're working in a team, it can also be helpful to use a consistent style across project files so everyone recognizes points instantly. To recap, type ptype, press Enter, choose the point style that best suits your drawing, and click OK. With just those quick steps, you improve clarity and reduce the chance of missing important points while you work.